guys, today I'll be going on a bike ride, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Hi guys, so today, I'll be just going on a bike ride, sorry. There's a guy just, running, and I waved to him, but yeah, I'll be going on a bike ride. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out right now. I haven't done a video in a few days. Actually, no, I did a video like 3, 4 Tuesdays, something like that. 2, 3, 4 days, something. But yeah, just going on a bike ride, nice bike ride. If you saw my YouTube short, 81 days till Christmas, which is pretty, wild, because, like, I feel like I just, like, I feel like, what am I gonna say, like, it's so insane that Christmas is already here. There's that guy again. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, just be going on a bike ride. But yeah. Whew. It's kind of a workout for me, I feel like, because there's a lot of hills, I feel like. Whew. It's pretty nice out, I like it. Whew. This morning, I woke up and it was like raining out. Well, not raining, but like it was, like everything was wet outside. And my mom said it rained, but now it turned out to be a good day. Yeah, it turned out to be a good day. There's another person. Thank you. It's so nice out. People are running. Yeah. You can go. Have a nice day. There's so many people walking. It's an awesome day out. Oh, someone's mowing the lawn. No hands. Yeah. I don't know what I was gonna say. I have 2 baseball games tomorrow if I don't post a lot tomorrow, or if I don't post. That's why if I don't post tomorrow, I have 2 games every Sunday, and then practices on Wednesday. That's for my fall ball team, and then Monday starts my club baseball team. I did a video a while back, well, not a really long time back, but it was like in like the first few days of September or something. And I would be saying, like, I have my baseball club team, and here it is already, guys. Time flies so fast, I feel like. Because I feel like I just made the team and it's already here where I start playing for it. But I'm pretty excited for it. But yeah, pretty excited about it. Like I do for my club team. It was a bump. We do this workout for like a month of October, and then and then after that we start practicing. And then yeah, it's pretty cool. Someone's mowing the lawn again. Well, it's the same person. No cars. I haven't went on a bike ride in a while. I just wanted to today because it was a nice day out. Cars coming. Just gonna go back to my house, and then when I get to my house, that'll be the end of the video. But it's like 7 minutes from my house because I'm on a bike, but it's not that far. All I do is go down the street with my friends usually, or just go on a bike ride by myself. I like it. We're at 64 subscribers. Let's go. There's a sign saying Trump. Trump sucks. I hate him. Boo. It says Trump 2024, take back America. It's like saying, be like the president being Trump. They want the president being Trump, but you don't know. I forget what her name is. Who I want to win. It's not Trump, it's another lady. I forget. I usually see like real bikers on the road sometimes. I'm trying to be fast so I can be faster than them. I'm usually not though. There's this big hill going up to my house. Like, I'm going up a big hill right now, but like over the hill now, and you have to be fast going up it. But before the hill, there's this big hill going down, which gives you some speed. But then you slow down a lot. Alright, so I'm like right about to be at my house. I would cross the street already, but a car's coming. So there we go. There's a car not right behind it, but like coming up the hill. But I didn't want to wait because then I'll just be sitting on the side of the road. I'm in my drive right now, though. That's kind of a workout because I went back and forth. Like when I started the video, actually, I was already on a street. Well, I was in a cul-de-sac. Because before that, I was just on a bike ride, and then when I was in the cul-de-sac, I decided to do a video because I haven't done a video in a while. But yeah, I didn't start it because I went back and forth. So now I'm in my driveway, but whew, my back hurts from going all my legs. It's like a workout, basically. Whew. But yeah, that'll be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys like that video. But yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and bye. I hope you guys like that video. But yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and bye.